I've never been good at this game. It never usually goes well for me. But let's see how we can do today. So that's about how well I play Tippi Tree. Hey everybody, welcome back to the 3D Printing Canada YouTube channel. So today I have brought some Tippi trees. When the boss asks you to print something, you just go ahead and do it. So that's what we've done. He wanted a couple of Tippi Tree models and I figured perfect opportunity to show all of you guys what Tippi Tree is about. Some people may have seen it, some people may not have, but it's a fully 3D printed game. It even comes with handy little instructions that you can print out so you can have your own copy of Tippi Tree with instructions and have all of the kids play. So in order to print it, I've actually done two sets here. I decided to use some of our coffee PLA because I like the nice dark brown of it. You need to start with the trunk. And then there's a couple of adapter pieces to make it a little bit taller as well as a little bit wobbly. You can print as many of these adapters as you want. They have the larger one and the smaller one. So as tall as you want to make your Tippi Tree, the taller it gets, the more challenging it gets. Then you have your topper piece. So this one sits on top. It can go right in the middle, or you can try and offset it just a little bit if you would like to make it even more challenging. Not sure why you would, but some people do. So once you've got your stand set up, then you need to print all of your Tippi Tree pieces in two different colors. For one set, I decided let's go with a nice fall theme for it. So we've got the red and the orange leaves. For the other set, we kept it with more of a tree style. I've got the dark green and the mossy green here. It looks amazing no matter what colors you choose to do this game in. I've yet to see a bad Tippi Tree, and one thing that I learned while I was printing it is those multi-packs of filament that we have are perfect for it because you get 5 different colors of material and you can go ahead and print yourself a Tippi Tree. You've got enough of each color to do whatever you want to do. So you go through, you get all of your pieces printed up, and then it's time to start playing. So everybody has to take turns going through the game, and whoever's going first picks up a piece in their color, and you have to set it onto the stand and try and keep it from falling. And then as we go through, you just keep building off of it. Each person taking one turn, adding the pieces that they need to. The goal is to get through all of your pieces. If you're like me, you're not going to be able to do that. It's going to fall on you. Any pieces that fall off on your turn that come down with the piece that you were trying to lay, of course it's not going to fall from you this time. Any pieces that come down with the piece that you were trying to lay now become part of your pile, and it just keeps going. Whoever runs out of pieces first wins. It's an awesome game. We've been printing these for years. I have a bunch of kids, I have a bunch of nephews as well, and this will keep them entertained for hours because every game of Tippi Tree is going to be a new configuration for them. So get to printing, get a couple of these ready to go. You can print as many of the game pieces as you would like to, so you can end up with Tippi Trees that take up the whole table. Don't be afraid of doing whatever colors you want to do. Do multicolored sets so that everybody can have lots of different leaf colors if they want to. And yeah, just see how big you can build it. This is Tippi Tree. We've got all of the links to the files and the instructions download that you need in the video description. The only thing left to do is figure out how to store it. Typically, I've used Ziploc bags, but I think I might design a box. So stay tuned for the next video because you'll get to see me using Tinkercad to design a custom Tippi Tree box. And yeah, that's it for today. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.